Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming account and connectivity so changes apply correctly. First, make sure you're signed into the Google account used on the TV. This links recommendations. Once done, use the remote to open settings and navigate to accounts and sign in. Make sure the device is online so preference changes sync. After confirming account and connection, move directly to personalization controls to stop the recommendation feed from updating as you work. Now you'll disable the core recommendation engines. Navigate to Settings, then Apps, find the Google or Home app, and open its Notifications and Privacy or Personalization section. You'll see Interests and Recommendations toggles. Turn off personalized recommendations and app suggestions to stop content tailored by activity. Make sure to disable both the home row suggestions and app-based suggestions. Once these toggles are off, the system will stop using your watch and app behavior to populate the home screen. Finish by removing past signals so recommendations don't repopulate. Go to Settings Privacy to clear watch and search history and clear app cache for affected apps. Then restart the TV so changes take effect. Make sure the system is updated. Updates can change recommendation behavior. If recommendations return, sign out and back into your Google account or perform a factory reset as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip: if a single app still influences.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.